Hello friends, subscribe to our channel GTC and press the bell icon for more updates.
So welcome to the channel. So today in this video we are going to cover some questions with their brief explanation. So here we have a first question is inadequate spreading of the coating solution before drying is called as. Options are option A hazing, option B bridging, option C cracking, option D orange peel effect. Inadequate spreading of the coating solution before drying is called as, and the correct answer is orange peel effect. Orange peel effect is an inadequate spreading of the coating solution before drying. So it is called as orange peel effect. Let's discuss with the help of explanation. Here we have a chart, and there are two problems we are discussing in this. The first is the orange peel effect, and their definition and what are the causes of the problem, and what are the remedy of this problem. How can we solve this problem? So first of all, coming on the definition of orange peel effect, that is it is a surface defect. Students, sometimes the question may also ask that which type of defect is. So orange peel is a surface defect and resulting in the film being rough or non-glossy, and appearance is similar to that of an orange, means there is an appearance of an orange in the tablet. And what are the causes of this? That is a rapid drying and the high solution viscosity. So how can we solve these problems? Rapid drying can be solved by use mild drying condition, or high solution viscosity is solved to decrease the viscosity of the solution. Coming on the next one, bridging. So what is the bridging? This occurs when the coating fills in the letter or logo on the tablet. Students, there is a tablet of a discipline. You can observe that on discipline there is a letter embossing on that. Here it's just a line. In this tablet there is a letter that aspirin is written. So there is a filling of coating in this. So what are the causes of this? That high spray rate, high viscosity of solution, high percentage of solids in the solution, and improper atomization pressure. And how can we solve these? Reduce spray rate, reduce viscosity, reduce percentage of solid, or use proper atomization. So it's all about this question. Moving on the next question, antibody implicated in hypersensitivity reaction is, and the options are IgM and IgN, IgE and IgH. Which antibody implicated in hypersensitivity reaction? So the correct answer is IgE. That is that antibody which is implicated in hypersensitivity reaction. So let's discuss with explanation in detail. Here we have a table of types of hypersensitivity disease. So first column is types of hypersensitivity and their pathogenic immune response, and what are the mechanisms of tissue injury. So coming on the first one, that is the type 1 immediate hypersensitivity. What are their pathogenic immune response? That is IgE antibody mast cells. And what is the mechanism? That is a mast cell mediator. And where coming on the second one, that is antibody mediated, that is type 2 IgM and IgG antibodies against cell and matrix antigen. It is a pathogenic immune response. And what is the mechanism of tissue injury? First is phagocytosis, second is complement, third is interference with the cell functions. Third one is immune complex mediated type 3. That is, what are the pathogenic immune response? Complexes of circulating antigens or IgM or IgG antibodies. And what are their mechanism? Complement and Fc receptor mediated inflammation. There is a inflammation in this. Coming on the last one, that is a T cell mediated. Students, sometimes the question may also ask that what is type 1? So it is an immediate hypersensitivity, it is an antibody mediated, third one is immune complex mediated, or fourth one T cell mediated. So coming on the last one, pathogenic immune response, it is CD4 and CD8 T cells. What are the mechanism of tissue injury? Cytokine mediated inflammation or by killing the CTL cells. So it's all about this question, students. Moving on the next question, pick the odd man out. There is a number of series, that is 154, 235, 352, 460 or 324. So we have to pick the odd number, and the options are option A 154, option B 235, option C 324, option D 631. So which is the odd number? So we have to find out that what is the correct answer. The correct answer is 324. It is an odd number. How can it is an odd number? Let's discuss that the sum of digit in each number except 324 is 10. I hope, students, you just understand this question. It is a very easy questions. So sometimes an easy question is also arises. So please keep calm and attempt the question paper easily. Moving on the next question. One molecule of glucose gives how much molecules of CO2 in EM TCA cycle? What is TCA cycle? TCA is citric acid cycle or Krebs cycle. Option A 6 molecules, option B 3 molecules, option D 2 molecules, option C 1 molecules. So 1 molecule of glucose gives how much molecules of CO2 in Krebs cycle? So the correct answer is 6 molecules. 1 molecule of glucose gives 6 molecules of CO2. Let's discuss with the help of explanation that in TCA cycle 1 molecule of glucose produce 2 molecules of acetyl coenzyme A, and 2 molecules of acetyl coenzyme A produce 6 CO2 in the TCA cycle. How can it produce? How can it be possible? So let's discuss with the help of this chart. So there is a pyruvate and it is formed acetyl coenzyme A. So as we already know that 2 molecules of acetyl coenzyme A produce 6 molecules of CO2. Here the 2 molecules of CO2 is there, 2 is there, and 2 is also there. So how many it is? It comprises 6. So it's a Krebs cycle started from the pyruvate, and after it converts acetyl coenzyme A with the help of citrate synthase, it citrate. With the help of aconitase, it converts isocitrate, and with the help of isocitrate dehydrogenase 𝘿𝙂𝙬𝙁, and further succinyl coenzyme A convert into succinate, and after that fumarate, and fumarate convert into malate, and malate convert into oxaloacetate with the help of their respective enzymes, fumarase, succinate dehydrogenase, or succinyl coenzyme synthase, or 𝘿𝙂𝙬𝙁 dehydrogenase. So it's all about this question. Moving on the next question. Scientists have developed a new battery material based in which with charging speed 5 times faster than lithium ion batteries, and options are graphene, option B carbon, option C nitrate, option D chromium. So which is the correct answer? The correct answer is graphene is the material. So let's discuss with the help of explanation that scientists have developed a new graphene based battery with charging speed 5 times faster than today's lithium ion batteries. The breakthrough by researchers at Samsung Advanced Institute of technology, that is SAI-8, in South Korea provides promise for the next generation mobile battery and electric vehicles. So students, just try to note down these names and memorize that Samsung Advanced Institute of Technology in South Korea provides promise for the next generation mobile batteries and electric vehicles. So it's all about this question. Moving on to the next question. Cosmetic means any article intended to, options are, option A, affect the structure of the human body, option B, destruct vermin of insects, option C, alter the appearance of the human body, option D, all of the above. Which is the correct answer? So the correct answer is alter the appearance of the human body. That cosmetic means any article intended to alter the appearance of the human body. It makes very beautiful that some of the cosmetic products are used in makeup, as we all know. So let's discuss with the help of explanation. That according to the DNC Act, it means any article intended to be rubbed, sprayed, sprinkled, or poured, or to introduce into or otherwise applied to the human body, thereof for cleansing, beautifying, or altering the appearance, and also include any article intended to be used as a component of cosmetics but does not include soap. So at last, the cosmetics is used to alter the appearance of the human body. Students, you can also check in the pharmaceutical jurisprudence, as we also mentioned the reference book, that as the page number is 27. So let's discuss next question. Hypoxia is deficiency of oxygen which causes cell injury. And by reducing aerobic oxidative respiration, which of the following is not a cause of hypoxia? And the options are, option A, anemia, option B, cardiorespiratory failure, option C, hypercholesterolemia, option D, ischemia, that is reduced blood flow. So which is the correct answer? The correct answer is hypercholesterolemia. It is not a cause of hypoxia. Let's discuss example. Hypoxia caused by ischemia, hypoxia, carbon monoxide poisoning, or the altitude or hypoxic breathing gases, anemia, and histotoxic hypoxia and cyanide poisoning, and cardiorespiratory failure. And the last one is ischemia, that is the reduced blood flow. So hypercholesterolemia is not caused by hypoxia. Next question is, which of the following drug is an inhibitor of cytochrome P450 enzymes? And the options are, option A, ketoconazole, option B, rifampicin, option C, phenytoin, option D, phenobarbital. So which is the following drugs is an inhibitor of the cytochrome P450 enzymes? And the correct answer is ketoconazole is an inhibitor of cytochrome P450 enzyme. So let's discuss with the help of explanation that ketoconazole is an powerful microsomal enzyme inhibitor, whereas rifampicin, phenobarbital, and phenytoin are enzyme inducers. So here we have mentioned a table of inducers and what are the inhibitors. So let's discuss with the help of mnemonics, that just learn bullshit crap GPS. B for barbiturates, S for St. John's worts, C for carbamazepine, R for rifampicin, A for alcohol, P for phenytoin, G for glycofulvin, P for phenobarbital, S for sulfonylurea. And coming on the inhibitors part, that sickfaces.com, where 6 denotes these drugs: SICKF, sodium valproate, isoniazid, cimetidine, ketoconazole, fluconazole, alcohol, and chloramphenicol, erythromycin, sulfonamides, ciprofloxacin, omeprazole, and metronidazole, plus grapefruit juice, amiodarone, and quinidine are the inhibitors. So students, I hope that you just understand these mnemonics with the help of these tricks. So just try to note down in your copy, because sometimes the question may also arise from this part also. So let's discuss the next question. what is the value of 9445.341 minus 1042.792 plus these, so what is the value after this? And the options are 908.004, 810.008, option C 795.657, 809.009. Students, just try to attempt the question within very short time, because very short time is provided for the questions. So the correct answer is 809.009. With the help of explanation, it's a chart that here there is an expression. It is a given expression. So here first consider the numbers before the decimal places. So we have to just put all the values before the decimals and consider that 1042 is equal to or equivalent to 1045. So we get an approximate answer as 806. So answer can be option B or D, as they are 800 greater and nearer. Now consider only last digit of the numbers given, that is 1 minus 2 plus 5 plus 5, that is 1 minus 2 plus 10. So 1 plus 8 is 9. So out of B and D, option D has 9 at end. So answer will be option D, that is 809.009. Students, I hope that you can understand. Just try to focus on this given paragraph and you can attempt the questions and you can clear out your problems. Next question is, who wins the 2018 Dada Saheb Phalke Award? Options are option A Dharmendra, option B Vinod Khanna, option C Shashi Kapoor, option D Kader Khan. I know these are very renowned names, students. So who wins the 2018 Dada Saheb Phalke Award? So the correct answer is Vinod Khanna. In 2018 wins the Dada Saheb Phalke Award. Next question, the total number of blood clotting factors are options A 10, option B 12, option C 20, option D 13. So how many total number of blood clotting factors are there? So the correct answer is 13 are the blood clotting factors. Let's discuss with the help of explanation. Here we have just chart. Students, just try to note down that in 2018 the question asked from this, what is the name of the factor 10? So the answer is Stewart factor. So first factor is fibrinogen, second is prothrombin, third is thromboplastin, fourth is calcium, fifth is labile factor, sixth is presence has not been proved, and the seventh is stable factor, eighth is amphiphilic, ninth is Christmas factor, 10th is Stewart factor, and 11th is plasma thromboplastin, and 12th is Hagen factor, and 13 is fibrin stabilizing factor. So these are the factors involved in blood clotting. Students, just see the beauty that in blood clotting there are 13 clotting factors are involved. So moving on the next question. Which of the following drugs require dose adjustment in renal failures? Option A cefoperazone, option B doxycycline, option C streptomycin, option D rifampicin. So which of the following drugs require dose adjustment in renal failure? So the correct answer is streptomycin required dose adjustment in renal failure. Let's discuss with the help of explanation. So here we have just a simple explanation, that is streptomycin is an aminoglycoside and requires dose adjustment in renal failure, whereas doxycycline and rifampicin and cefoperazone are secreted in bile and do not require dose adjustment. Only streptomycin required dose adjustment. It is a class of aminoglycoside. So next question is, fragile heat sensitive equipments are sterilized by which method? Options A gamma radiation, option B ethylene oxide, option C chemical sterilization, option D none. So fragile heat sensitive equipments are sterilized by which method? And the correct answer is ethylene oxide is used for the fragile heat sensitive equipments for sterilization. Let's discuss with the help of explanation. So here we have just simple question that for gamma radiation there is a plastic syringe needle, blade and dressings, and for ethylene oxide, heat sensitive materials are used. For chemical sterilization, fumigation of empty room and hospitals can be done with the help of chemical sterilization. So it's all about this question. Moving on the next question. Sunken trichomes and sunken stomata are present respectively in following drugs. Option A, P. 𝘖𝙑, Q. colchicum, R. lobelia, and S. gloriosa. Choose correct combination. So options are option A, P and R, option B, Q and P, option C, Q and R, option D, P and Q. So which is the correct answer? So the correct answer is Q and P, that is colchicum and 𝘖𝙑, having sunken trichomes and sunken stomata. Let's discuss with the help of explanation. Here we have just given a plant name, the trichomes and stomata. So in 𝘖𝙑, there is glandular trichomes and sunken stomata, where in colchicum, sunken trichomes and anomocytic stomata. In lobelia, covering trichomes and anomocytic stomata, or in gloriosa, glandular trichomes or absent hai stomatas. So it's all about this question. Students, just try to note down these short points, because sometimes the question may also hit from these questions also. So moving on the next question, or last question of this video, that the overall scope of Digital India is on being transformative, that is to realize IT plus IT is equal to IT. Here the three ITs respectively stands for option A, Indian Talent, Information Technology, India Together. Option B, India Talent, Information Technology, India Tomorrow. Option C, Indian Talent, Indian Technique, India Tomorrow. Option D, Indian Technique, Information Technology, and India Tomorrow. So which will be the correct answer? So the correct answer is, the three ITs denote Indian Talent, Information Technology, India Tomorrow. So it's all about this question. So let's discuss first explanation of this before ending this video. The Digital India is like an umbrella program covering many departments, preparing India for a knowledge future, and many existing schemes will be implemented in synchronized manner under this.